Look who's back in the garden today, and you won't believe what she's going to harvest. Let's take a look.
Hello everyone, welcome to Small Garden, Big Harvest. Today I will be harvesting some Black Seeded Simpson lettuce that was sowed on February 10th, 2026. Now I'm going to harvest a yellow sweet onion that was sowed August 29th, 2025. Today we had a great harvest of Black Seeded Simpson lettuce and yellow sweet onion. Thank you for watching Small Garden, Big Harvest, and we'll see you next time.